Hi, my name's Eric. I'm the executive chef at the City of Hope here in Phoenix. And I'm working with the cancer fighters on some of their recipes. So we're going to prepare one of their recipes. It's a Hawaiian vegetable chicken kabobs. So we have all of our ingredients already cut up that you can find right on the recipe. We already have the dressing ready to go. Just to kind of speed this up. Otherwise, it's going to be a 45-minute video and no one's going to want to pay attention. So we're just trying to go a little bit quicker. The one thing that I want to point out, there's probably really two things. One is here we always use metal skewers. They're not expensive if you have the opportunity and you like to use kebabs. They're reusable. No little sticks go into your food. Here for patients' foods and everything else, we really only use the metal. The other item is a lot of times people don't pay attention when they're grilling things and they're burning it. They overcook them. I always suggest get some nice marks on your food, finish everything in the oven. That way you don't have to worry about overcharring them, because some of these ingredients, when they get overcharred, they're just not very good. So we have all of our ingredients here. So I always like to start with a thick vegetable at the bottom. So we got the zucchini, nice piece of onion, got red pepper, green pepper, and your pineapple. Then we got some marinated chicken here, antibiotic free, always cage free. Throw a couple pieces of chicken on, and then just repeat and keep going. Okay, so as you can see, basically 3 layers right onto the stick. And then we're going to keep going. And that way, portion size, you're going to want about 2 per person. There you have your kebabs ready. So you're going to season them and you're going to put a little bit of the dressing on top. So you just put a nice mix. I just kind of brush them on there a little bit. You don't want too much. You can also use a pastry brush, but I like to get my hands a little bit dirty when I'm doing this. That makes you feel like you're all part of it. So then what we're going to do here is you're just going to season them, however seasoning you like. I prefer just salt and pepper, but you can use any type of seasoning. If you're on low sodium, this is Dash, works really great. We use a lot of that other stuff here. So then we're going to grill mark these and finish them in the oven, and I'll show you the final result. Well, as we finished our kebabs off in the oven, now they have a nice char on them. They're already pre-cooked. We've temped them. They hit 165 degrees like you want to do with all your chicken. Seen here, we're actually serving it with 2 other of the recipes that are on the Cancer Fighter website. This is summer bean salad with fresh strawberries and black beans. And this is tomato mango salsa. Either one of them would go excellent with this dish. I recommend both. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe, and we look forward to the next time we can do the next one. So thank you so much for tuning in, and once again, have a great day.